Okay, once the SimMan is on with the laptop, you can power it on. It will connect to this monitor. You will double click on SimMan. Give it a minute. Under Sim, you don't enter a password, you just click OK, and then finish. Do you want a video? Push no. Okay, so you take your mouse and you click on normal. You can change these, and I suggest you listen to them to make sure it's the sound that you want, and then turn the volume up. And I would do one at a time. So if they're listening to lung sounds, increase the volume, and then come over and place your stethoscope here for lung sounds, heart sounds, bowel sounds. Pulses, you just push down. And if you occlude it all the way, it doesn't work. If you press too lightly, it doesn't. And they work on both sides. He has a left radial pulse that also works. And brachial works as well. You can do IM injections here. And it looks like you can insert a Foley. He does not have pedal pulses. And he is a left lower amputee. I'm guessing you could put in a little ostomy there. And this, I guess, is the sub-Q injection pad here. And you have another IM option here. So once that is done, you would take this back to normal, decrease the volume, then you would change if it's like a murmur, pick the murmur you want, and then increase the volume. When you're done with heart, move to bowel, and you can pick hyperactive or hypoactive. And again, listen to make sure it's what you like. Right here, you can click on the heart rate and change it to, let's just say 105. And then if you tap, the heart rate will climb. Also, let's see if he can. You can turn on and off, you can turn sounds on and off, you can change parameters. If you click on the rate, on the rhythm, you can change them to whatever you would like. So there's AFib, you have to click apply, and then okay. And then you'll see the heart rate change. I can't get the oxygen, the SpO2 to pick up. So I don't know what's up with that. I'll have to work on it. He is a dinosaur, so I would say just use what you need for the auscultation lab, and maybe some rhythms if you like them. Always apply and okay. He does talk. The sounds come out of the laptop.
You're the best nurse ever.
Aw, thanks.
My birthday is August 27th, 19.
Okay, so you could just play around with it. When you're done, just hit the X. Are you sure you want to end the program? Yes. And then start, turn off computer, and just turn it off. So this laptop is the computer. It's just extended to this monitor. You'll close that. The other thing that I need to show you, the light should be blinking to know that the link box is on and working. That's what connects the mannequin to the laptop. And then the compressor makes the chest rise and fall. It's closed, holding the air in right now. When you're done with it, you have to let the air out so it doesn't stay, so it doesn't keep all the air in here. So you'll hear that kind of empty, and that's how you power it on and off. So when you close it, on is down, and you'll keep it closed, and in just a few minutes this chest will start to rise and fall. If you want them to go faster, of course, change the rate from 12 to like 24, and you'll be able to see them move a lot faster. If the compressor is not working, it's okay. You don't have to have them. They can count each other's respirations if you have to. But it looks like it's working. So I'm just gonna turn it off, which is up here, and then I'm gonna open it so I get the air out. So when you come to turn it back on, you'll push this button down, and then you'll close it like that to hold the air in. I'm just gonna let it empty out completely. All right, and so this is Keysville, the original SimMan. That was the first one that we got.